leave the package at the door, thank you.
You can open?
You can just leave the package at the door.
Oh, okay. This is the A, yeah?
It's Unit A.
A.
It's a package from Timu. You can leave it at the door. Why are you touching my door?
Huh?
Just leave the package at the door. I'm not opening the door.
I know, and address A?
Did you hear that? The delivery guy tried to come in our house. Yeah.
Hello? Hello? This is in A and B.
Sugar, this is Unit A. Leave my package at the door.